Hey guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the Karina Garcia slimes. We have these 4 packs, so yeah.
Can I show them the other pack?
We're going to show them. So you do that one, I'll do this one, okay?
Can I open it?
So the one that Kenzie is showing you is Martin Malo, yeah, by Craft City. Here. And we'll give you an ASMR at the end. So it's like a cloud cream texture, and it looks really pretty. It has like white iridescent glitter in it. It's so pretty.
See?
Here, you want to play with it? So tell them what you think about it.
I think it's so fluffy like it.
Smells good too.
I think it's fluffy like cloud.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think so too.
And it's kind of wet.
Yeah, just a little bit though.
Can I show them the red one?
We have to show them this one next, okay? Okay, so the next one is called Green Apple Goo.
Green apple gold.
And this one is a clear base slime and it has green sparkles in it.
Hey, my hand.
Mahan.
There.
And it smells really good. It smells just like green apples.
Can you spread it out a little?
Okay, so let's go on to the next one.
Here. Sissy.
Okay.
Not coffee. I'm just going to stand right here.
She doesn't like the smell of coffee, but I'll show you. So.
No. It's not happening. I'm just going to sit on the floor.
She doesn't like the smell, so she's not going to play with it. So this one is a brown base, or a clear base slime that has brown food dye or whatever they use in it. And it smells like super strong, and it's like, I don't know. It does smell like coffee though,
We're
so.
missing me.
Hmm?
We're missing me.
Yeah. You want to get in?
No. I'm
Okay.
going to go potty.